Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is related to the subject of IG1 NIBOSH IGC. The topic is key elements of health and safety management system. These systems fall under the obligation of ILO OSH 2001. The important elements are policy, planning and organizing, implementation, evaluation, and action for improvement and audit. Let's see first of all policy. What is policy? Policy is a formulated document that is designed from top management to lower management and seek the priorities from their attentions and concentration so that a safe and healthy environment might be created at the workplaces. This policy is very fundamental among all the systematic and literary issues in the health and safety management subject. First of all, see what is policy in literally means of NIBOSH course. A clear statement has to be made to establish health and safety management subject as a prime commitment of management at all level of the organization from top to bottom, but particularly at the top because the senior management, if give importance and commitment to health and safety management issues, the health and safety might be implemented in an effective way and risk and health free environment might be created at that workplace. Otherwise, the health and safety management system without the intentions of senior management would be ineffective. Know what see the policy has which kind of role in the organization. The policy has very important and appropriate place in the health and safety management system. This is the document which compel the employer to provide healthy and safe environment to their workers. The environment should be free of hazards and ill-free health environment, hygienically proved and different type of health and sanitary convenience must be provided. These all things are included in the health and safety management system, and the policy put the obligation to the employer. The policy is consistent in its nature, and this is included almost every type of health and safety management system. For example, OHSAS 18001 and ISO 14001, ISO 9001 quality management system. In these type of health and safety management system, the prime intentions are the same. These factors are included in these type of health and safety management system as we described earlier, that is policy and planning and implementation, evaluation, action for improvement and audit. Many different health and safety management systems exist using similar format as we discussed earlier. We can summarize the policies as because the policy is the one thing that is very crucial in health and safety management system if not given priority and attention from the management. Now we see the policy has many aspects that the health and safety policy of an organization is considered an important tool in sense of document that sets out organization aims with regard to health and safety, and it decides who is responsible which kind of role and how the aims are to be achieved. Now, what is the role of policy in an health and safety management system? This is the policy that is provide decision making of both senior management who formulate it and middle and junior management who are required to implement it. This is a foundation of health and safety management system because if its first stage is dynamic, then the other roles would be in a consistent and systematic order. If policy is not in an order of health and safety management requirement, all the system will be flopped. The people who are new in my channel are requested to subscribe my channel once again because I am uploading updated videos related to health and safety and NIBOSH, IGC, IOSH. Press bell icon so that you may receive updated videos. Thank you so much.